I bought two Idols of the Realms sets, Boneyard set 1 and 2. One contains 15 miniatures and the other is 12 miniatures. However, I didn't spot that I'd ordered 2D models. I have bought box after box of 3D minis and I love them. Let's take a look at set 1 and 2 and see if they're any good. Inside set 1 we have Crawling Claw, Death Knight, Death Slard, Ghast, Ghost, Mummy Lord, Otyugh, Rock Troll, Sibriex, Skeleton Halfling, Vampire Spellcaster and a Zombie Goliath. Set 2 is Natropol, Avatar of Death, Demi-Lich, Ghoul, Lich, Mind Witness, Ogre Zombie, Poltergeist, Skeleton, Vampire Spawn, Will-O-Wisp and Zombie Elf. Taking off the plastics, you are left with... okay, there's actually 2 sheets. I didn't realise there were 2 sheets in. So you've predominantly got the model pictures themselves. They pop out. They pop one way. Oh, you take off the film backing that holds them in and they just pop out. Carefully pop out. Then you have a tray of mostly stands. On the back of this sheet are instructions, assembly instructions. Match the mini symbol to the base symbol. There are words on here, but look at the same sizes to my finger. It's actually words right there. There's no way I am reading those. That was actually trickier than I imagined it was going to be. Right, pushing one of these out has already snapped the ghoul's arm clean off. So that's one broken. I don't think I'm going to build any more of those. I'm worried I'm going to actually break them all. That one popped out without me even trying. So let's put that one in. Okay, let's not get those mixed up for the first set. That goes on that side. Broken ghoul arm, that's annoying. Oh wait, what happened to the little one? He's popped out of his own accord. This is a Crawling Claw. It is just ridiculously small. But then it is a Crawling Claw after all. I do like the size difference. That's cool. I like the big ones, but I'm not sure anyone would even realise what that is from looking at it. So that is a nice image. It's straight out of the book. Looks good. I like the fact that it has a back rather than just the see-through to the front reversed. Fair enough. You know, the pictures, yeah, I'm a fan of. I don't like the fact that it's quite uninteresting on the board. You know, using my minis, what I really like, and then there's a troll. I'm just not really a fan. But that's just me. You might like them. You might think, oh, this is maybe a cheaper option to these. But I'll tell you this, there's really not much in it. This were about 15 quid. I think the other was about 25. So I wouldn't say it is a cheaper option. But a broken ghoul, for my money, I'd spend it elsewhere. So made by WizKids and Wizards of the Coast, I really love WizKids products. This, I do not. What do you think? Do you already use these quite happily? I will not be using these. I imagine I will be giving them away to a child. But that is just my opinion. If you want to see some more miniatures or looks at other products, please give me a comment. Check out this video if you want to watch another thing that YouTube thinks you'll like, and I will see you again.